Ooh, that was today's lunch I just felt and tasted there. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils of Me, and I just got done working out for tonight, and I wanted to do a chug of, that's right, some Health Ade Kombucha, and this is the blood orange, carrot, ginger flavor, and I'm also gonna add some doTERRA wild orange essential oil for some extra flavor and detox benefits. So kombucha in general will just help support your immune system as well as your digestion because there's probiotics in here. And so I'm going to open it up. Oh goodness. Or maybe I should remove the wrapper first. Here we go. Okay, there we go. Oh, okay. You can just get this, like I got this at Sprouts, but you can find this at pretty much any grocery store, especially like a health food grocery store. Okay, so here we go. Opening it up. You don't want to shake it up because it will explode. But yeah, there we go. All right. And then I'm going to, since this is 16 ounces, I'm going to put 1 drop per 4 ounces of the wild orange in here. So I should put 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, those came kind of quick. All right. Do a little swishing around. And without further ado, we're gonna chug away. Here we go. All right. Oh my goodness. Woo! That's intense, but it's good. I'm trying to like stop and smell the roses and taste the flavor, but yeah, it's really great. Here we go. It's fermented as well. And so it has a little bit of the bubbly, you know, the natural bubbly. And so it's hard to like get it all in one fell swoop, but all right, we're gonna finish it off here. Here we go. Gotta move the probiotics and stuff around here. Here we go. My goodness. Woo, all right, it's all gone. All right, here we go. So how am I feeling right now? I'm feeling refreshed. I'm feeling energized, alive, awake, hydrated. I mean, goodness. Wow, that was intensely good. And whether you do a chug or you sip slowly, this is one of the brands that I like to buy, and I reuse the container and fill it up with alkaline water as well as, or reverse osmosis water, or you can use distilled water. And then I put some raw or organic apple cider vinegar in here, and then I put some essential oils like wild orange or the other citrus oils from doTERRA to support immune system, support my digestion, adds flavor, freshens breath, and also helps to detox your organs of elimination, so your liver, kidneys, your bladder, your gallbladder. So overall, great combination, and woo, that's good. Now I'm gonna drink a green smoothie that has some plant, excuse me. You kind of get some reverse aromatherapy. Excuse me. All right, so we're going to end. Ooh, that was today's lunch I just felt and tasted there. All right, anyways, Health Ade Kombucha, however you want to say it. We're just gonna say kombucha because that's how I say it. And there you go. Boom. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did. Hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out those links in the description below and get you some kombucha the next time you're at a, here we go, let me point it the right way, and get some kombucha the next time you're at a Sprouts or Whole Foods or wherever you're at. And I'll see you in the next video.